We can also copy a file or a folder from one location to another by using shortcut keys. That is, Ctrl plus C is used to copy a file or folder to the clipboard, whereas the content copied to the clipboard can be pasted by using shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus V. Now, I will show you in the system. This is the file which I am going to copy, and the key which I am going to use is Ctrl plus C. Once I have clicked it, suppose if I want to paste it in the C drive, here I will press Ctrl plus V. Here the folder or the file is getting pasted, copied. Okay, the copying of the file is being done from one folder to, from one place to another. The file is being stored in both the places, the desktop as well as the C drive. Now we will move a file or folder. How to move a file or folder? What is moving a file? Moving a file or folder means to transfer it from its original location to a new location. Now we are going to follow these following steps. This PC, in this first step, we will double click on this PC. Here we will choose the drive, that is local drive D. Here, after that we will go on the organize option. Here the fourth step will come, that is we will select the move to option from the organize group, and then we will see that the file or the folder gets shifted to the new location.
Ctrl plus X.
We will now do the shortcut method. We will use a shortcut key. Now to move or to cut it, we will click on the Ctrl plus X, that is cut, and then we have to paste it in our desired location, that is suppose C drive. We will paste it by Ctrl V. Here the file or the folder will get pasted. Now we will go for the next topic, that is renaming a file or folder. Suppose the folder or the file which is there on the desktop, the name which we have given was school. We will change the name to computer. What we will do? We will click on that. A drop down menu will be there. From there we will choose the rename option, and now we are going to change the name. Earlier it was school, now we will do computer standard 4. This is a new name. Okay, we have renamed it, and after that we will press enter and the new name has been saved. The next topic is deleting a file or folder. How do we delete a file or folder? We will first select the file or folder to be deleted. Suppose if we want to delete the file which we have created, that is computer standard 4, we will click on it. A drop down menu will open. From there we will choose the delete option. After choosing there, it will ask that you want to delete it from the recycle bin. As we have studied earlier, that recycle bin is a place where the deleted files get saved. But when we click on this permanently delete option, the file is not being saved in the recycle bin and it is permanently removed or deleted. Okay. Now we will go on this menu, that is recycle bin. The topic for this is restoring a file or folder. How do we restore the deleted file which is there in the recycle bin? We have clicked on the recycle bin. There we will choose the file which we had deleted. Suppose now the file which we had deleted, we have got it in the recycle bin, that is computer standard 4. Once we click on it, we will see the restore option is there. We will click on restore. Okay, and then we will see that the file is there in the desktop. Okay, so we have restored the file which we had deleted earlier.